YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Nicolo Rigano, and you are watching my barber dreams. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a low shadow fade with 3 on top and line up nicely with the beard. And you're also going to be hearing my new raps that I dropped and the voiceover. I can't wait for you guys to hear it. And thank you so much for all the support I've been getting and all the feedback and all my raps. It's really been making me go 10 times harder. So thank you guys for everything. And I want to challenge my viewers to something new. I want you to try something that's outside of your comfort zone. I want you to do something that makes you feel uncomfortable. And I want you to do that thing. I want you to try it out and do it consistently. Because you never know, you may stumble upon something that you might want to do for the rest of your life. I mean, look what happened to me. I'm living the dream. I love it. So please take this action, take this step, and try something new. Even if it's the smallest thing, just do something out of your comfort zone. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video when I drop one. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram at Barber Dreams by Riggs. There's tons of styles and videos on there, so make sure you stay tuned for those. Thank you so much for watching this video and enjoy.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah. You know, it's Primo. My barber dreams. I'm feeling like a young Zeus, like left but like got the juice. Stay away from forbidden fruit, stuff on the tree of life. You gotta follow the roots. I'm like the fountain of youth, the way you can't find me. I'm always working, but that doesn't even define me. I'm on the right path, so you better get behind me. They might try to blind me, but they can't shake my vision. I got the precision of 10 brain surgeons making decisions. So why to worry about collisions? Just a long division of my profits of what they really owe me. They said they got competition, well damn, can you show me? I see right through them and they fake and they phony. I mix them in the pot, I fry them like bologna. I'ma be here for a while, so I'ma get cozy, yo. I might as well get a knapsack. I carry my city like a backpack. I got the lad, you want me to pass that? You don't got shit in me, I got my hazmat. I'm not crazy, but these beats I spaz at. I'm all about my dividends, so where my cash at? I'ma get it one way or another. I keep it low like undercover. Get to know me and new stuff to discover what it means to be real. I'm aggressive, but I stay chill. From a small town, Phillyville, but I couldn't up the many bills. So I'ma change up the world of what's around me. At the top, that's where you found me, but you ain't see I built it from the ground, G, like a motherfucking architect. I'm not slowing down, no I ain't parking yet. I stay burning up, I got the spark effect. With beatings put in the coffin next, yeah. I stay original, subliminal, go right to your occipital. I might be on the typical, you can read me, I'm not fictional. You fuck with me, shit gets critical. My dreams too big, but y'all's just looking minuscule. I don't mean to ridicule, your efforts looking minimal. You been a fool, too many dudes hating, y'all been my fuel. I keep eating, getting full. I'm too hot, stop the beat so I can start the cool. Yeah. Let me switch it up. Let me switch it up. Let me switch it up. Yeah. I feel like Don Corleone on my boss shit. That's why they give me attention like they lost it. When they busy burning bridges, I crossed it. I'm grabbing the title like I mossed it, but you ain't the one who tossed it. Hold up with a minute, let me pause it. You dudes like R. Kelly in the closet. Yeah, I make bank, but I don't make a deposit, cause I feel the cash flow in my palms. Knock a sucky on this beat, how I'm dropping bombs. All up at the action, but my word is bond. Haters talking shit, but I never respond. They just want a little taste what I got going on. I believe what I write, but I learn from my wrongs. I'm like Forrest Gump when he started playing Pong. I'm something now, you would think I'm Amazon. I'm the type of MC that you gotta rewind. Nothing but the best, that's what I call me prime. Stay working on myself, trying to redefine. I got a little heart, but it starts on my mind. It's the birth of a star, so you know I'm finna shine. I'm living life like I'm about to run out of times. Play the line and the rhyme, it don't come easy, so I gotta climb. Never slowing me down, not even a stop sign. I'm in first place, but y'all this top 9. You ramp at a cop mine, I'm straight as an arrow, but you look a lopside. You give up the throne, that means you lost pride. This my boss side, I'm so focused in, but you're looking cross-eyed. My house is like a bakery, but we don't ever toss pies. No lie.
lie. I don't ever wanna settle and get complacent. It's up to me, I gotta pick my placement. I'm not stepping to my idols looking adjacent. Just face it, how you gonna stand out? Your style so basic. Yeah, I got the sight like my eyes are LASIK. You copy from me, but you forgot to paste it. My time is coming, so you know I can't waste it. So close, I can taste it. I feel it on my tongue. I'm doing big things like pun. My mind old as fuck, my body is young. You take me serious, I'm just having fun. But the old jokes got a truth to it. Don't like me around, but you better get used to it. Look at my grades in school, you would think I'm too stupid. When I spit in a fade, I'm like the new Ruthless. Cause it's too damn easy, and we gotta believe me. I'm so out of this world that they had to retrieve me. When it gets rough, smooth it out like a squeegee. I know it gets hard, but it only seems deep. You gotta take a minute, relax and breathe. Think of all the things that you've achieved. This is only the beginning, so let's proceed. Just know every day ain't guaranteed. By the way, this is only a warm-up, just a little tease. Yeah, just a little tease. And I got many more for you guys, so stay tuned. Yeah, my barber dreams. You might want to take a step back.
Be young.
Oh shit, look at what time it is. I gotta do a big, really handle my biz. You might even get caught up in this. I know I got a shot and I never miss. So many goals on the list that they can't even fit. Who the fuck you gonna run and go get? I'm not the dude that you wanna fuck with, but you owe me money and I want every cent. Going so hard that you wanna repent. You better give it up like it was Lent, cause I got the plan, the young businessman. They call me boss and I got demands. Straight green in between the rubber bands. I keep my mind high so it expands. Who else in here really understands? You can do anything that you think you can. I smoke it to the face, let me get the record straight. I don't got time, I don't wanna debate. You owe me cash and it's already late. You got some trouble and I'm your worst fate. I'm always stay grinding, I don't need to skate. I'll be the one to put you in a checkmate. A single phone call, that's all it takes. You like to follow so we don't relate. I'm the captain, you better follow me. All aboard, we going overseas. I stay copper trees, learning from my OGs. My flow so cold below 20 degrees. You can't bring me down and stay positive. Fuck the ones doing the opposite. I'm headed for the top, you ain't stopping it. A young prodigy like Hobson is. They keep stealing my style, it's time to pay up. I got connects, I can tell them to spray up. I give them the words easy as a layup. They do it for money, I just put them on a pay cut. Say what? They really try to diss me? They don't know that my cuts are getting crispy? I get to own mine, think that I'm 50. Try to put me down, but all they do is lift me into another zone. I gotta get it on, so independent like Home Alone. I always stay grinding, I'm shining like chrome. You feeling the vibes, I'm setting the tone. I'm rolling up planes, they looking like cones. I'm smoking on strains that goes to my dome. I'm a dire legend, the best you've ever known. I don't really get the time, I don't really get the patience. You dodging me like you wanted invitations. I'm the one you fear, got anticipation. Time to see the dawn, that's who you facing. No fuck with me, I got the allegations. No time for breaks, man, fuck vacations. You better find yourself like investigations. If I ever stress, I get the meditation. I spit it in the ripper like you gotta fix that. I take it from here, boy, you better sit back. You can't face me, I break it like a cat. Toe to toe, it's looking like a mismatch. Bitch, I spit facts like the bottom of a Snapple cap. I gotta stay ready, always on attack. I'm not a fiend, but I spit the crack. Now you want more like you're going through a relapse. It's my destiny. Always sit and ponder what's next for me. I don't know, but I bring the best of me. When you can, you better invest in me. I'm self-made and I'm really blessed to be. Nobody can test me. Give it all, nothing left of me. Ball like Steph, hit no less than 3. Here's a lesson that I really need to teach. Action comes first right before your speech, so you can see it happen instead of a tweet. Practice what you preach and then repeat. You like 7 days, many style is weak. You can try to keep up, but you can't compete. I learn from a dog, leaving my defeat. Step back when Primo's on the beat. I run the game like Le'Veon's cleats. Yeah. Like it's cleats, baby. Pay up. You gotta pay up. Pay up. And that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for listening, and most importantly, watching. And that is the final product, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, make sure you smash that like button, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and make sure to share it with your family and friends as well. So I wanted to include more of my working styles. That is a very similar style, different texture. And don't forget about these transformations. I've been dropping them like crazy on my Instagram. Make sure you guys go check that out. It's at Barber Dreams by Riggs. Don't forget to follow and show your boy some love. This is Nicolo Rigano, and you were just watching my Barber Dreams. I'll see you for the next video. Until next time, YouTube. God bless.